Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about how I believe Apple glasses will revolutionize events. With the release of this cutting-edge technology, it is becoming more apparent that Apple glasses will change the way we experience events forever. Whether it's a music festival, conference, or sports game, Apple glasses will transform the way we interact and engage with events. One of the most significant advantages of Apple glasses will be their ability to provide an augmented reality (AR) experience. AR is the ability to overlay digital information on the real world. Apple glasses will allow event organizers to enhance the attendees' experience by providing them with additional information, such as schedules, maps, and event details, all while remaining hands-free. This means that attendees will no longer have to rely on their phones or paper maps to navigate the event. Another advantage of Apple glasses is their ability to provide an immersive experience. Attendees will be able to view events from different perspectives, such as a bird's eye view of a music festival or a player's perspective at a sports game. This level of immersion will make attendees feel like they are a part of the event, rather than just watching it. Furthermore, Apple glasses will also provide opportunities for event organizers to monetize their events. By integrating sponsorship and advertising opportunities into the AR experience, event organizers can create new revenue streams. For example, at a music festival, a sponsor could create a scavenger hunt using Apple glasses, with attendees earning rewards for finding virtual items throughout the event. In addition to the benefits for attendees and event organizers, Apple glasses will also have benefits for event staff. For instance, event staff will be able to use the glasses to communicate with each other and receive real-time information about the event. This will improve coordination and efficiency, resulting in a smoother event overall. Finally, Apple glasses will make events more accessible to people with disabilities. For example, attendees with visual impairments could use the glasses to receive audio descriptions of the event. Additionally, attendees with hearing impairments could use the glasses to receive real-time captions of speeches and announcements. The release of Apple glasses will revolutionize the events industry by providing an enhanced, immersive, and hands-free experience for attendees. Event organizers will have the opportunity to monetize their events while providing valuable information to attendees. Furthermore, event staff will benefit from improved communication and coordination, resulting in a smoother event overall. Finally, Apple glasses will make events more accessible to people with disabilities, ensuring that everyone can enjoy and participate in events.